Yeah, it's making lows and lower highs, right? So we're down to right about yeah. Sorry, looking at some stuff here. Had some requests come in. And so you see where we're at. We just came off for resistance, right? And it's going down, making its way down to support. So the question is going to be, well, if it hits support, does it go back up? Does it make it all the way down to support? Because once again, we understand that there's some things going on in this market here. Right? Let's see. Whereas this right here could be, a higher low, right? And it could get ready to start U-turning up, possibly. And remember, we're only going to trade what's happening now at the moment, not what we anticipate to happen later, right? Looks like price has been going down for a while now, right? Um, so it'd be interesting to see. If price starts to make its move up, I definitely would be excited to go in and try to, because I think it's kind of overextended market right now, to be honest with you. Let's see here. What is the next one? The next one is. I didn't go through everything already, did I? I think so. No. Let's clear this out. Let's come over here and do the same thing. Use our smart tools, right? Smart support. Smart resistance. Look at this. Already did it for us, right? So we're definitely at a support situation right now with this currency pair here. Let's look at it on the daily chart. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's what resistance we're at. We're not at resistance, we're looking for support somewhere in here. All right, looks like support is way down here. This is one area of support is way down here. And so the question then becomes, is this something that we want to get into? Do we think that it's going back up again? Does, price shows that it's going back up, or this price shows going to just kind of hanging sideways, or this price going to continue to move down? So I don't know. You tell me. I would love to hear from you guys. You tell me, what do you think price is going to do? How are you trading this? Are you trading this right now at the moment? Let's clear this one out of the way here. Let's put in some support and resistant lines. And that was resistance. Boom. Here comes some support. Let's see what we got here, folks. And this is on the daily chart. Once again, like I said, you can feel free to, once they came in and put those major points, you can come in here and put your own little, some minor points in here as well. And what we're looking for is just places where price has came down to and then U-turned, right? That's all we're looking for. Where has price came down to and then U-turn, right? Where's the U-turn at, right? So definitely hit here and then the U-turn, and came up, hits here and then the U-turn, came up, U-turn, came up, U-turn, came down. Now the question is, will it U-turn from here back up? Check one other thing too. Let's see. So not only do we have the smart resistance lines, we also have smart we call it smart trend lines as well, right? Where it comes in and it can draw the trend line for us, which is pretty cool. So yeah, so it kind of broke through that trend line there. hit the support and it came down again, but not before we were testing that trend line, right? And the reason why price we trust that it traces that trend line is because buyers are coming back in, trying to push the price back up to where it previously was. And of course, the question always is, well, can price get back to that point? Drops. Let's see here. So we got down. Well, if you're able to still see me on the other streams, thanks for being so patient. Apparently, on my Twitch stream, we have a drop, and I can't seem to get it back going. And so that's what the silence and the frantic moving around is me doing. Is trying to get this thing back on. Oh, there we go. We're back online. There we go. We got it. Perfect. I really need to get an engineer, somebody to come in and just do this for me at some point. Just can't find anybody want to wake up this early in the morning. So anyway, guys, so you see the currency pairs that we're looking at potentially going into, right? You get an idea of what we're looking to do. Now the question is, of course, how do we execute this? How do we do this? Let me do this right here too. Thought we had them all. Sorry, let me look at this one. Same thing. Smart support. We're gonna go into smart resistance. So once again, we're right here at a support zone. And I'm gonna tell you, I don't know what your assessment, has been so far. When looking at this, but I can already tell you, I'm seeing a couple of things that I like, just out of the gate. There's a couple of currency pairs that I would look at and I would think that they might be a good candidate to purchase. Other ones, they don't like they kind of formed into the area yet. I mean, I still may go in there and just kind of do like we did just a while yesterday, which is kind of do a basket of purchases. Go through, purchase everything. Put my price points in. I'm going to do it, or I may not. I don't know yet. I may sit back on the sideline and look. Let's see. Let's put this one. There we go. Let's put this in. Okay. So the daily. So we're coming down from support. These are previous lows, previous highs. All right. Let's see. Get down to the hour. Coming down from resistance. Let's see. Low. That's a higher low. That's a lower high. This could be forming like a wedge or a triangle almost. That could be pretty interesting. Could be pretty dangerous. Excuse me. Alright, what's the next one? Japanese yen. Some support, some resistance. So it's down from resistance, so this should be support, perhaps. Let's see here. This is resistance support. Higher highs. Let's see. Whoops. Oh, that was a smart fib, man. Sorry about that. I meant to do the trend line. But let's look at this right since we got it up here. Smart fibs. All right, so it's come down. It's hit a Fibonacci retracement area, right? And it looks like it should be target price should be up here somewhere, right? Past that other resistance. Now, I'm not saying it's going to hit it today. I mean, this is a daily chart, but probably over the next couple of weeks, you know, this might be a useful number to look at. But anyway, yeah. Man, I'm so tired. I need to go back to bed. It's interesting how this is totally bypassed. So prices falling through this trend line. But it has hit on this support line here. And the question is, will it bounce back up and go back and try to retrace and try to get back on that trend line again? That's a great question. Considering the fact that we have a low, a high, higher low, and then some higher highs up here, and then this right here could potentially be a higher low. This right here is like, let's say, kind of moving sideways, right? Maybe up to the side. When we talked about it before, price going to move three ways, move up, down, sideways, and then it does like usually a variation of the three, right? Up and to the side, down to the side, something like that. Let's see support. Where is my resistance? Okay, price is moving. Down from resistance. Is it at? Yes. There you go. The rate decision is coming out on Wednesday. So the day after tomorrow or the day after today. So that right there might be kind of a dangerous pair of trade right now at the moment. You might want to stay away from that one until that decision comes out. Hate to see you get into that trade and then get pushed out inadvertently. Let's see what else we got coming out today. Yeah, it looks like a lot of minor stuff is coming out. All right, trend, total order, CPI. The Bank of England's Carney speaks at a conference. That's later on. Look like some stuff, but not anything like too major. Other than their speakers come out with a speech later on today. So I'm gonna tell you, folks, I'm looking at this and I'm seeing some potential opportunities here. Right, definitely some opportunities. The question is though, how do we take advantage of these opportunities? Do we take advantage of these opportunities? Where do we take advantage of these opportunities at? I'm sorry, today I am drained right now. I drank coffee and everything, and I still can't pull it together. So I apologize, folks. We may have to actually end this a little early today. Just because I think I'm coming down with a cold or something, a virus or something. Not really been feeling it too much lately. And it's definitely affecting me. My ability to sit out here and to produce a very entertaining episode for you with information. So here's the thing. Here's the takeaway, and I'm definitely probably gonna end this early today, just because I don't have the energy to really kind of make it for a whole hour. So I apologize. Make it up to you. But here's the takeaway. The takeaway is this: there's some potential opportunities to buy in this market, right? And I will say, if you're gonna do it, just be careful. Check your levels. Make sure you put in your proper stops. Make sure you put in your proper take profits and your entry orders before you do so, right? At least that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look at make some purchases here shortly, and we'll see how it turns out in a couple of hours, right? At any rate, guys, I'm sorry I have to do this to you today. Sorry I have to end this early, but I just don't have the energy to make it. I apologize. Please forgive me, and I promise I'll make it up to you at a later date. But I am ending this early. Remember what this Les Brown says, which is because I always like to end this on a positive note, and that is uh, always shoot for the moon. And that way, even if you don't make it, we should be amongst the stars. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your afternoon or a great rest of your day. I apologize that I could not perform for this whole entire hour, but I am feeling pretty miserable, and I will talk to you guys at a later time. Take care.